Chen, the design maker, is here. I want to show you my new tool, Elegoo Mars 3D printer. Take this off and everything's red. My nose is squashed. There are 3 parts. This is a print bed, the tank, and the case, power cable. This is a USB flash drive, gloves, measuring cup, scraping tool, Allen wrench screwdriver, side cutter, Allen wrench, filter stuff, a 3D printed part, some masks. Oh, there's a beep. Alright, now we can tie it up. Now it's time to pour some resin. Okay. Wear gloves and mask. Okay, it's not that pleasant. You don't want to drink it for sure. Print the nuke. Let's go ahead, see what happens. Oh, that's loud. Oh, something's...
5 minutes later.
I found out we pressed the wrong button. So when it's going to Z, it actually can click like that. So now we won't make a mistake again. We'll hit the set V to 0. So this piece should click a little bit. So, stop. Print. Let's go. It does detect the Z this time. It shows you what the current layer looks like and how much time left and been passed. Also, clicking on that gear icon, you're gonna bring up all the exposure time settings. A really cool feature is you can pause. The bed actually gonna raise up. You can see if your part is printed fine or not. The 2 parts are doing really well. Resume. The bed will come down and keep printing. Alright, so our first test print is done. It looks really good. Really good details. What this part is used for, you basically put it here. Put the thing here like this. All the resins left over will drip down. The next part is to rinse the print. 99% alcohol, so don't drink it for sure. It actually got an expiration date. This thing falls off inside. It's not working. Alright, there you go. That's easy. Alright. Probably a good idea to rinse it multiple times. After the test print, I also saw an Eiffel Tower here. It's about 12 centimeters tall and it takes 9 hours to print. Once it's finished, you can see a lot of resin left over. It's still dripping and the detail looks really good. After rinsing and throw under the sun for a couple hours, you can see a much cleaner print with more details. The Eiffel Tower is almost perfect other than some handrails are missing. I guess those are just too thin to be printed. And the nooks are absolutely perfect with no visible layers. And all the text looks very legible and sharp detailed. I'm really surprised about the top of the nooks. Since it's printed straight up, so the top surface looks absolutely flat. With the macro lens, we can really zoom into the detail and seeing a little bit of the layers, but also you can see a lot of more details, such as on the top of the Eiffel Tower. On the nooks, it's really hard to see any layers, other than the 2 lines on the bottom. That's because I paused the print twice. So when the print come up and come down again, it creates a little layer separation, but it's barely visible. So here comes to the final question. How much would you pay for such a perfect print quality? It used to be thousands of dollars to get into resin printing, but now these guys are so cheap that this one is only $249 US on Amazon right now. So if you've been looking into resin printing for a while, don't miss out on this deal. You'll see the link down in the description. And the process, even though I made mistakes earlier, it's pretty much out of the box, and the print quality is just astonishing. So I'll definitely use this machine more. If you want to see more videos about this printer or resin printing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also check out my other videos on designing and making electronic and robotic projects. I'll see you later.